Hello everybody, welcome to the EduFuture Academy. Today we will study how to control a sprite using the arrow keys. For that, write the name of the file as dragonfly control. Okay, so for that we will be choosing a sprite dragonfly. So delete the cat, choose the sprite. You can search here for the dragonfly. Yes, here it is. If you want to reduce the size of the dragonfly, you can go here and reduce it. I'll keep it 80. Okay, and choose the backdrop, whichever you like. So dragonflies will be available most of the time in the nature. So you can choose something background related to that. I'll go with the flowers. Okay, so make sure whenever you start coding, you click on this dragonfly, that is the sprite, okay? And that sprite should be available here. It means whatever the sprite is available here, you are basically coding on that. So let's start up. So go to events, take when green flag clicked. I always use green flag. So based on how you want to start, you can use it. If you want any key to start a game, then use this block where you can choose whichever keys you want to start a game. Now, I want to control this dragonfly forever. So for that, what you have to do is go to control, take forever block. Okay, so now here there is a condition that if I press on up arrow key, the dragon has to go up. In that case, there is one thing you have to learn, that is the directions. So how you have to choose the directions, how you have to make a sprite to move in a particular direction, that is up, down, left, and right. So for that, here you can see X, and here you can see Y. And the arrow mark indicates that if you want to make the sprite go up and down, you have to choose the blocks which denote Y. If you want to make the sprite move left and right, you have to choose a block which denotes X. And now how to write these numbers? So whenever you say up, the numbers should be in positive. Whenever you want to make the sprite go down, the numbers should be in negative. Same goes with X. If you want to go right, the numbers should be positive, and if you want to go left, the numbers should be negative. So let's start doing that. Now there is a condition like when I click on up arrow key, the dragonfly has to go up. So in that case, what I will do is I'll take this if then block, then go to sensing, because you are trying to communicate with the sprite using the arrow keys. So here you are giving some sense to your sprite. For that case, you have to choose the blocks present inside the sensing. So here you get a block that key space pressed. Please click on that and drop it here. So and choose up arrow. Now you have to go to motion because you want to make it to move. Whenever moving comes, you have to go to motion. So here, as I said you, up means Y. So you choose something denoted by Y. So here you can see change Y by 10. So I'll take that block. Up is the positive number. It's already in positive. I will leave it as it is. Okay. Now let us do for the down arrow. So again, if and then, sensing, key space pressed, choose down arrow, go to motion, choose Y by 10, but as it is down, you have to make it minus 10. Let us do the same thing for left and right. Control, if then else, sensing, key space pressed, right arrow. Now, right means X. So take change Y by 10 and it should be a positive number. So 10, you can keep it as it is. Now let us do for the left side. Let's do it. Left arrow, motion, and then change X by left means opposite side. So it should be -10. Okay, let us see how it works. So I'm using left, it goes left, right, up, and down. One thing you can see here, the dragon was moving left and right. It was not changing the directions, right? You have to change the orientation of the dragonfly depending upon in which direction it is moving. For that, what you have to do is go to the costumes. Okay, you already have a dragonfly present here. So what you have to do is duplicate it and then select the entire dragonfly and then flip it vertically. So for this sprite, we will write as up, and for this sprite, we will write as down. The same way, let us do it for left and right. So again, point here, select all, let us keep this as left, duplicate, select the dragon, and then flip it horizontally, and let us name it as right. Okay, you can delete this sprite. Okay, let us come back to the code. Now, wherever up, down, right, and left is there, right? Just switch the costumes. So let us go to the looks and take the switch costume 2. So whenever you're clicking on the up arrow, the dragon has to go up. Down arrow means it has to go down. Right arrow for right. And change this to left. So, and whenever you're clicking on the green flag, the orientation of the dragonfly should be up. For that, what you have to do is when green flag is clicked, just change the costume to up. So you can see now, left, right, up, and down. This is how you can control a dragonfly or a sprite using the arrow keys. Using this method, let me know what type of game you're building. Post the link of your project in the comments. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.